Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete phone number from your PayPal account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are, as you can see, on paypal.com. The first thing you're going to want to do is come across to PayPal and log into your account. Once you've logged in, what you need to do is come up to the top right-hand corner, click onto your profile icon, and then come down and click onto Profile Settings. So what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this, and in here you can see your phone number. If you can't see this, make sure you're on Login and Security from the menu on the left-hand side. Now to remove your phone number, all you need to do is come to the right-hand side of your number and click the blue Update link. This is going to bring up all your current phone numbers. To remove any of these, all you need to do is simply come to the right of the phone number you want to remove, and you're going to see the Remove link. So just go ahead and give that a click. Just like so, as you can see, it says Phone Number Removed. So that's basically how you can delete phone number from your PayPal account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.